Boys and girls, and welcome to a math video lesson today. Our learning target is I can identify 3D shapes and discuss their attributes. So we're here to learn all about 3D shapes. We're going to sing some songs about shapes together, and we're also going to learn how to do this week's Google Slides activity where you're going to be sorting 2D shapes from 3D shapes. So let's dive right in. Let's learn about our first shape today. It's called a sphere. A sphere is like a ball. You can hold it in your hands and you can roll it. So a sphere is a sphere because it has these three attributes. It has 0 faces, that means no flat surfaces. It has 0 edges. And an edge is basically when you have 2 flat surfaces and they meet, there's a line segment that joins the 2 flat surfaces. So a sphere has 0 edges, and lastly, it has 0 vertices. That means it has no corners or points. So let's sing it. A sphere is like a ball. A sphere is like a ball. It has no faces. It has no points. A sphere is like a ball. That was fun. Let's learn about the next shape together. It's called a cube, and a cube looks like a birthday present. Also, a cube is like a dice. So here are the attributes of a cube. It has 6 faces. That means 6 flat surfaces. It has 12 edges or lines in between flat surfaces, and it has 8 points all the way around. Let's sing it. A cube is like a dice. A cube is like a dice. It has 6 faces. It has 8 points. A cube is like a dice. Thank you for singing along with me. Your voice sounds amazing. Next shape. The shape is called a cone. And what does a cone look like? Yes, it looks like a party hat. So this is why a cone is a cone. It has 1 face. Check out this flat surface right here. It has 0 edges, so no straight lines between 2 flat surfaces. And it has 1 point right down here or right here. Okay, let's sing it. A cone is like a hat. A cone is like a hat. It has 1 face, it has 1 point. A cone is like a hat. Next shape. This is a pyramid. So a pyramid is a pyramid because it has 5 faces, it has 8 lines, and 5 different points, and it looks like a teepee. Makes me want to go camping, especially when the weather's been nice like it's been. Let's sing it. Ready? You know the tune now. I want to hear your nice voice. A pyramid is like a tent. A pyramid is like a tent. It has 5 faces. It has 5 points. A pyramid is like a tent. All right, a couple more shapes to go. You're almost an expert on 3D shapes. 2 more to go. Okay, this is called a rectangular prism. It looks like a box, kind of like this tissue box right here, but imagine without the tissues coming out. So a rectangular prism is a rectangular prism because it has 6 faces, it has 12 lines between flat surfaces or edges, and it has 8 points. Let's sing it. A rectangular prism is like a box. A rectangular prism is like a box. It has 6 faces. It has 8 points. A rectangular prism is like a box. That was a mouthful, wasn't it? Our next song is our last one. One more shape I want to show you today is called a cylinder. And a cylinder looks like a drum. It has 2 faces, one on top, one on the bottom. It has 0 edges. That means no line segments between flat surfaces and 0 corners or points. Let's sing it one last time. Is this song stuck in your head now? It should be. A cylinder is like a drum. A cylinder is like a drum. It has 2 faces. It has 0 points. A cylinder is like a drum. All right, so now I'm for sure that the tune is stuck in your head. Please feel free to visit this video again, sing again and again, and just have fun. Here is our Google Slides activity. So all you're going to do is you're going to take a look at the picture. 2D stands for flat shapes and 3D stands for shapes that take up space. Okay, that's the difference between flat shapes and 3D shapes. 3D shapes take up space. So let's find the 3D shape first on this page. Which one looks like it would take up space? This one right here. And if you remember our PowerPoint, this shape is called a cylinder. So I'm going to put the cylinder right here in this picture, and then this is a rectangle. I'm going to put it right here in the 2D shape space. Let's do one more together. All you do is find the 3D shape. Here's a cone, it takes up space, and a triangle is flat. It is two-dimensional. So that's your Google Slides activity. This was our lesson. I hope you enjoyed my singing and hope you enjoyed singing along with me. Thank you for joining us and have fun with this week's Learning Target in Math. See you next time. Bye!